Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to use the Euler's relation to find the number of faces of a three-dimensional figure with 9 vertices and 12 edges. So according to Euler's formula, it states that the value of f plus v minus of e is always equal to constant, which is equals to, where f is equals number of faces, v equals number of vertices, and e equals number of edges, right? Okay. Now according to the question, the number of vertices is given as 9 and the number of edges is given as 12, and so we have to find the number of faces. Therefore, f plus v, which is 9, minus of e, which is minus of 12, equals 2. So 9 minus 12 will be minus of 3. Shift minus of 3 to the right hand side, so it will become plus 3. So f will be equals 2 plus 3, which is 5. Therefore, number of faces, I made a small mistake. So if 2 plus 3 will be equals 5, so number of faces is 5. Upon checking the options, we see that option B will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.